Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Airdrop not working on iOS 18. So I will just tab on my iPhone settings and make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on while you're using your Airdrop, and also turn it on the Bluetooth. And it will be issue on when you update your software like iOS 18, and today I will show you how to fix it. So make sure these both things are turn it on, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and personal hotspot is turn it off. And now go in the journal and just tab on this Airdrop and make sure you will have everyone for 10 minutes it's on, and you will just tap to refresh it, use cellular data and turn it on, and it will be fixed. And it will be not fixed about this method, you can just go back and you will a little bit scroll down. In the end you will just tab on this transfer or reset iPhone, so just tab on it. And when you tab on this reset, so just reset the network settings, so the problem will be resolved. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.